Still putting your coffee beans in the fridge? That might be the reason your brew tastes stale. The fridge has moisture and odor, and coffee is hygroscopic, meaning it will absorb those smells and that moisture. And you definitely don't want your coffee to taste like the fridge. Even if it's in a sealed bag, opening it repeatedly lets in humidity. So what's the best way to store your beans? In an airtight container in a cool, dark cupboard, and if you use them daily, never in the freezer. Want your coffee to taste better instantly? Stop refrigerating it. And follow Coffee Decode for more simple coffee truths.